of our management thoughts with the ancient wisdom, and we tried to figure out that how can it be useful for business school students. We had two things in our mind when we started this program. The first, that how do students come out of stress, particularly when they are challenged physically and mentally. And second, how exactly do they improve on the resilience and tenacity.
We started this course for students because we thought that something different is needed. MBA education is not just about books, it's not just about classes, it's not just about doing rote learning, sitting in the classes. And what better place to do it than Himalayas? In the lap of nature, where there are lush green surroundings, a river is flowing by, and the learning is immense. We thought it is very important because they are going for work in corporate sector, and it will help them understand what exactly is success, what exactly is failure. We thought it would change their entire perspective for the life.
With 20 years of observation that I have in teaching learning process, I have understood that somewhere or the other, one of the important ingredients missing is to give them a balance between intellect and self. And that perhaps pushed me more towards Himalayas. And these 10 days of course was envisaged exactly to challenge on two fronts, the physical front and the mental front.
Life is more than success or failures. Life is more than just about working in corporate sector. So I think all in all, the course achieved its objective. It was a very rigorous 10-day process wherein we taught them yoga, we taught them spiritual Ramcharitmanas.
I understand to survive in a corporate world for 40-50 years, you definitely need tons of resilience, and this cannot happen automatically. There has to be a very conscious effort to bring in the highest level of tenacity to sustain in a very competitive corporate world.
They did complete the course with gusto, with lot of energy, and with lot of enthusiasm, talking about a lot of different aspects of HR, and then of course hearing them, cleaning their souls, hearing them coming up with their problems.
For the first time, I got to see myself students inside out. Not often we get to see that, because the majority of my classroom interaction with my students would be from a prism of how much I know. I never get to see how much they know, and neither there is time and space to understand that how they view themselves. They gave me a view which was not available ever before. Why? Because my students could open up as much they wanted to. Perhaps they never got an opportunity to open up so much before. Okay, we have these reflection sessions, and then we have this yoga and meditation, and at every point I saw students are coming up with something which I had never seen in them before. So I hope this will help them in future, to integrate themselves and present a very wholesome self to the business world. And I hope this is what even business world expects out of their recruits, that they are a whole, not just fragments.